Hi and welcome to the course on Mastering Presentation Skills. I am Neha Agrawal. I'm the founder of Wise of Communications and the instructor for this course. There are 3 ingredients to mastering a presentation, and that is what we teach you in this 5-hour course. First is to set yourself up for success. And here you will learn how to structure and time your content based on where you are presenting, who is your audience, and what is the overall scenario. Then we come to the fun part, which is preparing the presentation. And here first we will clear all the basics of presentation preparation for you, because most of us have been making the same mistakes over and over again. So we will clear all these basics for you first to prepare a formal presentation. Then we will move on to the advanced part, where we will teach you modern PowerPoint techniques. And trust me, this is going to be the best takeaway for you from this course. We will teach you techniques that you will hardly find anyone using in today's date, and that will help you stand out from others in your presentations. Finally, coming to presentation delivery. Now this is where most of us feel nervous because we don't know how to make our presentations entertaining for our audience. So in this course, we will share with you all the tips, all the methods you need to know to master presentation delivery. Lastly, you will also receive a certificate of completion for successfully completing the course. Make sure to mention it on your resume or CV, because both recruiters and foreign admission committee members really appreciate you having good presentation skills. If there's anything else I can do to help you in this journey, please feel free to contact me. I am always at your disposal. Wish you all the very best and hope you enjoy the course.